I don't claim to have invented the bacon cheeseburger burrito, but I do claim to have perfected it because this thing is perfect. And I've done a few things to it to make it even better. You're going to want to see what I do because, dang, if you like cheeseburgers, if you like burritos, and if you like fun, you came to the right place. This video is for you. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's take care of the cheeseburger part of our stuffed bacon cheeseburger burrito. We're going to take some 80-20 beef here. We're going to gently pull it apart. We got 8 ounces of meat to make this half-pound burger, and we are going to put this in a ring mold. This is my favorite way of making a burger because you get a nice, light, wonderful, juicy burger. Now just gently pack this down with the back of your fingers and make a little indentation in the center. That helps it keep from swelling up as you cook it. Now we're going to put some salt and pepper on this and make sure that you do both sides because you're going to be eating both sides. That makes sense, doesn't it? And we're going to cook this off in a cast iron pan, or you could throw it on the grill. A stuffed burrito implies that it has French fries in it. So we're just going to cook some frozen fries off in a frying pan here with some oil in it and get them nice and crispy. Only takes a couple minutes. Now to cook our burger, we're going to put this in a cast iron pan that's heated to about 550 degrees Fahrenheit. I have some bacon here that I'd cooked a little bit earlier. I'm just going to reheat it next to the hamburger patty. It doesn't take very long when the pan is this hot. The bacon's going to be done in about 30 seconds. And the burger's really going to want to be cooked about 2 minutes on the first side here. Make sure you use a metal spatula to get the crust up with it because that's what the pan does well. Now we got a slice of cheddar on there. We throw a lid on it, give it about another minute and a half, 2 minutes, something like that. And it's done. Good. All right, so our burger's cooked. Our fries are cooked. Our veg is all prepped. Our bacon's hot. This is bacon I had already baked off in the oven and then just threw in a Ziploc bag. We need a couple slices of bacon. Pull it out, throw it in the frying pan, heat it up. Bacon on demand. I love the world we live in sometimes. That is a beautiful, wonderful thing. Now we've got this nice, lovely burger sitting here. You saw me cook that off in the frying pan because I just checked. It is snowing outside. Yep. A little weird, but I like it. You know, the West is out. We have a drought and everything, so a little bit of snow is a good thing. Yay. Not real good for grilling, though, when you got 30-mile-an-hour winds and it's snowing. So, just saying, I cooked it in the frying pan, perfectly acceptable in a cast iron pan. The pan better be 500 to 600 degrees when you cook this. Otherwise, you're not going to get the greatest burger in the world. You want that crust on it, you want that wonderful sear, and a nonstick pan will not give that to you. Don't try that. It won't work. All right, so what are we going to do with this thing that we have this all cooked up? It's going to look a little stupid in our burrito, so we're going to chop this up. If you've seen my bachelor salad video, why haven't you? Go back. I'll put a link to it. It's right there, I think, right now. Bachelor salad video. Editor guy, put that there. This is essentially kind of a bacon bachelor salad and a tortilla. It's sort of similar. It really is. Okay, so what are we going to do? We're going to cut it the same way. We're just going to take and cut this into blocks, essentially. Here you go. And boom. There we are. Now you do not really want this medium rare or rare. I did a couple test burritos and that was icky. So you're shooting for medium here. I love a rare burger. If a good doctor can't save it, don't put it on a plate. That's what I have to say. But in this, not so much. That's a weird thing in your mouth, so don't, you just take my word for it. Medium is where you want to be. If you like a well-done burger, this is the recipe for you because it'll take it. So we have our burger thing right here. It's all ready to go. Do you see that? Isn't that already burrito shaped? Come on. We got the cheese on it. We got everything. We're just going to set this right here. As you can see, the tortillas we're using are the giant tortillas, the riquísimas tortillas, the really, really big burrito tortillas. There you go, that sits there. Let me grab that tortilla. All right, you have to warm up your tortilla. This will not work with a cold tortilla. They don't fold properly. So don't try that because it will not work. We have shredded lettuce here. This is going to take a fair amount because it will squish down quite a bit. That looks like a lot of lettuce. It is. We're going to take tomato. A lot of tomato, because I like tomato. Tomato, good. Onion. Well, come on. It's not a burger without lettuce, onion, tomato, right? There you go. That's perfect. Little diced up red onion. Don't go crazy. You want the burger to shine through on this, and we're going to need bacon. We're going to need a couple slices of bacon on this. Yes, we are. Now, we're going to need our burger. This is perfect. Actually, you know what? Before I do that, I'm going to put this on here, get this middle layer. I almost forgot the Thousand Island. Yes, I'm just using straight Thousand Island. You can make a burger sauce if you want to. I didn't do that. And you want a fair amount of it. That looks like a ton. You want a fair amount because this is big. This is really, really big. Look at the size of this thing. This is ridiculous. Now, what makes this different than other cheeseburger burritos that you may have seen on the YouTubes or the TikToks? What makes it different? Fries. I'm putting fries on it. It's kind of like a stuffed burrito with the fries in it because it's an entire cheeseburger meal handheld. Sort of handheld, two handheld. We're just going to put as many fries as we think we can get in here before this thing explodes on us. The burrito, this is a big burrito, a tortilla here, but it's only so big. Okay, we're going to bring our sides up like this, try and bring them up as evenly as possible. We're going to try and come up over the top. We're going to tuck in as best we can, get a flat flap there, get our little bits that are trying to get away from us. And Shazam, kazoo, it's kind of it. I might have put too much stuff in this. I'm going to need to find bigger tortillas because I am not making smaller burritos. No. Can you use two tortillas? Yes, you can. You can put two of them side by side and roll that into a thing. Makes it a little bit more challenging to eat, but that's how you get the really, really epic giant burritos. That's a cheeseburger burrito. Now, it'd be great if it was toasted and grilled, wouldn't it? Yeah, let's do that real quick.
10 seconds later.
She don't want to play, folks. Try this again. Okay, I think it was one French fry too many. That'll fix it. Okay, maybe two French fries too many. That frying pan's hot. I'm trying to touch that. Look at that. Way better. If you first you don't succeed, try and say it again. There you go. Re-rolled cheeseburger burrito, take two. Okay, so now that it's been grilled, you saw I had to re-roll it because I overstuffed it. It was two French fries too many. Luckily, I had a solution for that. Bet you can figure out what that was if you watched this or if it caught that. I don't know. I won't know until I edit it. You already know. You're lucky. All right, I'm going to cut this thing in half and show you what this looks like because, come on, these things are amazing. Seriously. I did a couple of test burritos because this is a little weird and you got to really kind of know what you're doing to figure out if you're going to do it right. I can tell you, they did not disappoint, but I did learn a few things. In fact, what I learned was how to make that. Oh yeah, that's amazing. That's gorgeous. Look at this thing. This is super incredible. You can see the fries, everything, the juice. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna shoot a couple pictures of this real quick and then I'm gonna come back here in 2 seconds and I'm gonna eat this. Oh. And now for the moment I've all been waiting for. Yeah, because I can't wait to eat this thing. This is, I keep saying it's amazing, but it is. It's so cool. This is fun, man. It's fun in a tortilla. Aren't tortillas just super fun? So let's eat this and see how much fun I can have. Tortilla's crumbling a little bit. Oh. Oh. Okay, because I did the bacon whole, and it's in long strips going the whole length of the burrito, you get bacon in every bite. You get meat in every bite. You get French fries in every bite. You get your veggies in every bite. Oh, it's perfect. That looked like a lot of Thousand Island. It is not a lot of Thousand Island. It's a perfect amount. And it's incredible. And that is how you make the proper cheeseburger burrito with fries and bacon. Do I have a little on me? Yeah, probably. So, there you go. Another crazy burrito video. I have more ideas brought to you by the wonderful mind of Cuckoo. Yep. So you got to stick around and see more of these things, because you're not going to believe what I'm going to do next. But you're only going to find out if you subscribe. There's a little subscribe thing down there. If you hit that, it's totally free. It's not like the memberships or anything else. This just tells you when things come out. If you hit the notification bell, you can set that up for all kinds of things. It'll send you messages, all kinds of stuff, whatever. So you don't miss my next video, and you don't want to, because it's going to be crazy. So a little crazier than this even. Believe it or not, it really will be. So we're going to have some fun, but you only find out if you come back and watch the next video. So thanks for watching this one, and see you next time. Thanks.